stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
The average tax refund this year so far is down 8% from last year. That works out to about $170 less. Hold on a second, it gets worse. The IRS expects 4.6 million fewer people will get money back this year, and 4 million people will pay more.
Well, wait a minute. I thought we were told by Varney this.
Tax cuts have lit a fire under the stock market, and you are getting the benefit.
Unbelievable. It's just incredible. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Well, first of all, I want to thank all the gang members who did make it to the Money Show in Orlando. We had a great time up there, and fascinating. It was fascinating. First of all, I got to commend the people that put the Money Show on. It's incredible, this show. You wouldn't believe what it takes. I mean, this show is huge. I mean, huge. It's like in a building that's the size of 2 football fields. There's got to be like 500 booths. I mean, it's amazing. The coordination is just mind-boggling. So the folks that put this together are just incredibly good business people. And what's nice about that show is they're very choosy who they let have a booth. They just don't let anyone have a booth. Like some of these organizations that sponsor these kind of things, they'll let anybody buy a booth. But it's well run. But I got to tell you, it was a learning experience. It was unbelievable. People... 2 things I learned. You wouldn't believe what they do to get free stuff. Every booth gives something free. And people just, I mean, they'll climb all over each other. They'll jump up, knock things down, knock people down. We put some pens out that were free. You wouldn't believe. You think they were gold bars. You think they were gold bars. They came in attacking us, trying to get these pens. It's insane. They got bags full of crap. It's unreal. They go from booth to booth to booth. I've never seen anything like it. It's like a free smorgasbord. I mean, it's even hard to explain. They want everything free, and then they complain that they had to pay $19 to park their car. $19 to park their car. They get everything free. It's unbelievable. And they'll pick up stuff that they don't even know what it is. They have no clue. And then around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I had to go outside because it's hard to get here on your cell phone. And then I came back in and I look. It's like there's no people. I said, what the hell happened? I mean, the people were maintaining the booths, but there was, but I didn't see any of the folks, who were scrambling to get free stuff. Then all of a sudden I observed this line against the wall. And this line wraps around the whole building. The whole building. And these people are standing in line for 2 hours to get a free ice cream. A free ice cream. They're in 2 hours. These are the same people almost killed us trying to get the pens, the pens that were on our desk or whatever the hell it was. I mean, they'll stand there for 2 hours to get a free ice cream? What are you, nuts?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Unbelievable. Oh, my God. But here's the thing. When I got up and spoke, I said, folks, I don't understand something. I'm very confused. These same people, they're maintaining these booths. These financial people are the same people that caused you to lose, to get wiped out $8 trillion in stock just 10 years ago. The same people you're back to right now, trying to grab all the stuff at their booths that's free. I don't get it. Think about it. They lost all their money with the dot-com crash. These same people, they're in all these booths now. They lost their money in the dot-com crash. Then they lost their money in the financial crash. Then they lost their money in the housing crash in 2008. And they're back to the same people. The same companies that have these booths. They're back to them. My God. And everybody wants a brochure. This guy comes up to me, you got a brochure? I says, no, I don't sell brochures. I sell charting. I don't sell brochures. He looked at me like a deer in headlights. Like, what, you don't give me brochures? For what? What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with a brochure? And this outfit next to us, a bunch of planners and money managers, they had a stack of papers 2 feet high and about 6 rows. And they had lines. I mean, it was amazing. 5, 6 deep, 7 deep, all trying to get this free garbage. And what an experience this was. Unbelievable. But the funniest thing is the same people are back depending on the same people who lost $8 trillion. They haven't learned their lesson yet. The same 401ks they're talking about, the same garbage. It's unbelievable. It's just crazy. People don't get it. I guess they think that the stock market is like some magic, that if you just find the right person, and they tried that in 2018, in 2008 they lost all their money. If you just find the right person, they're going to take your money and grow it for you. Put it in a 401k. Are you nuts? First of all, these 401ks are a joke because most people don't make enough money to contribute to the 401k. Very few people. Remember, 78% of these 401ks, these people, they work paycheck to paycheck, and they can't hardly contribute. They keep taking money out. The 401k, you're never going to make money with a 401k. The fees alone kill you. But they're right back to the same booths with the same people who push the same garbage. All you need to do is take your money and put it in the spiders. You can't get that across to people. It's too simple. It's too simple. Oh, my God. And you want to see each booth the services they give. They got like 20 lines of services these organizations give you. Unbelievable. It's easy. It's not complicated. The market goes up when the institutions put the money in. Coca-Cola goes up when the hedge funds and the insurance companies and the largest banks call each other and say, Wednesday at 10 o'clock, we're all going to buy 1.5 million shares of Coke. That's how it goes up. And then it comes down when they call each other and they say, okay, we made our profit. We're going to pull our money out Friday morning at 11:15. They all pull it up. It goes down. You think somebody in one of these booths are going to be able to tell you that? Oh, no, they're going to take your money, invest it long term. We'll put a little bit here, a little bit there, and a little bit here. What are you, crazy? The simplest thing to do. First, understand how the stock market works. Most people don't have a clue how the stock market goes up. What makes it go up? Most people don't even know. They think it's some guy in one of these booths, a genius, that's going to take their money and by magic it's going to go up. Go get some free ice cream. Unbelievable. Nuts. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated is so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated, but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. But I strongly recommend, if you're near a money show, go to it, because it's really, I mean, if you're a serious person, you're not just looking for free stuff, okay, they got every kind. They got oil drillers. They've got, I mean, it's amazing, the different kind of investments, just not stocks. So it's well diversified. I mean, as far as people think it's just stocks. No, it's not. And they got, different investments, and it's really interesting. It really is. It's well worth going to. But God, you'll get aggravated. I'm sure you'll be sitting there and they'll be knocking you over trying to get a free pen. Anyways, it was a great time, great show. So if there's one in New York City, I think, in 2 weeks. So if you're there, you should try to catch it. All right. But the people, as I say, that put this thing on, you got to give them really credit. I mean, boy, what a nightmare that must be, putting that on. Okay, so let's get started here. All right. So we got a lot to talk about. As you know, I want to go and we're talking about stocks. And you can't get across to folks what makes stocks go up. They think it's one of these guys in one of these booths that sits down, he's a genius, or she, and they're figuring out all these complicated formulas and what this company's doing and what's it doing in Europe, and don't invest in Europe, invest back here, and what about the emerging markets? None of that. They make it complicated, so you need them. That's why they make it complicated. It's pretty simple. From the first day the market opened, going back, 200 years, it's real simple. It was buggy whips. You just followed where the money went. You went under the elm tree on Wall Street at noontime, and the hardware stores would shut down, and the hardware stores were actually the market makers. They'd come out there, and you'd watch and see, okay, where's all the money going? Oh, everybody's buying buggy whips, so you buy buggy whips. Then the big guys started to sell the buggy whips. You start selling the buggy whips instead of buying them. Nothing's really changed. And with computers, it's so much easier to track the money. Like my chart that I developed years ago, the algorithms, we keep getting better and better, is strictly to follow the money. The fundamentals, you don't need to know anything about the fundamentals of a company. It doesn't matter what the company does. It really doesn't. Price to sales, price to book, free cash flow, trailing PE ratios, all that, forward PE ratios, don't need to know any of that. You simply look at a chart that identifies for you what is the money doing. I'll give you an example. Valero. Do you need to know anything about Valero? What it does? We know it's in the oil service business. It's a driller. But do I have to know what the trailing PE is on it? Or the forward? Or free cash flow? Do I need to know what management's doing? I don't need to know any of that. Here's all I need to know. Are the big institutions that make the market work, are they putting money in or taking the money out? That's all I need to know. If they're putting money in, it turns green. Give you an example. Valero start, if you have right now a mobile device, go to my site, philsgang.com, you can see this. So Valero told us that they're pulling their money out of Valero. It was green, and all of a sudden at $116 back on September 2018, it turned red. It means the insurance companies, the banks, they're pulling their money out. So it turned red. Doesn't that make sense? Do you think for one moment you can't design a chart with the algorithms that follow the money? Of course you can. If you put somebody in the moon, you certainly could do that. So it turns red. It means the banks, the hedge funds, the insurance companies pull their money out. So it turns red. So it's telling you not to invest. In fact, and I said this at the show when I spoke for 45 minutes, I said, the biggest problem with investors, why they can't make money, the reason why 80% of the people in the market can't make money, even though 72% of the time the market goes up, because they will not sell a stock short because they've been pounded and grilled into their heads. Don't short stocks. It will hurt you. You'll get hurt. Really? How'd it work out with the dot-com crash? If you were shorting the dot-com, you think you'd done better? Of course you would have. How about the housing financial crash of 2008 when the market went down, 50%? How do you think you would have done if you just switched your position and shorted? Oh, but they tell you don't do that. Just stay with them. And the thing I talked about, I said, these geniuses are going to tell you, cost average down, buy more stock cheaper. How stupid is that? Isn't that dumb? Think about it for one moment, how dumb that is. You buy a stock for $50. It starts going down. And especially when it breaks what they call a key support, where it turns red on my chart. People are buying more of it because their planners, their money managers, the people who run the forecast are telling, buy more of it. And people get excited. They really do. A guy buys a stock at 50. It's down to 40. He's lost $4,000. He calls this broker to tell him, to ask him, what should I do? What should I do? And they talk him into buying more of it. Cost average down. If anybody tells you to cost average down, fire them. That is so stupid. You average up. When your stock's doing well, that's when you buy more. If your stock is dropping from 50 to 40 to 30, you don't buy more, but they tell you to. The next time someone tells you to do that, instead of telling you to turn around and short it, fire them. So Valero dropped about 40%. It went from about $120 down to about $67. Then it remained red as it was going up to around 73. So let's say from 64 to 73. So when it goes up and it's red, it's just telling you don't short it anymore. It's just telling you there's not enough money coming in. Don't buy it at 64. Don't buy Valero at 64. Don't buy Valero at 65 or 68 or 69 because you could buy it and then it could drop on you. But then when it turns green for 2 days, that's telling you there's enough money coming in. And when we come back, we'll go over how well we're doing with Valero and Nike and Budweiser. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Let's go to the stock corner and let's see how well my members are doing. And you can join the gang. It's only $39.95. And remember, St. Jude. Our objective is to reach out to you, help you make money, then you turn around and you help St. Jude. And you have two wonderful programs. If you don't want to learn, if you don't have time to learn, and some people just don't want to learn, if they have time, that's fine. We have a working investors program where we have 5 stocks, the same 5 stocks we've invested in for 2 years, and the returns are wonderful. And better than any 401k, I'll tell you that. And so that's at 2 o'clock every afternoon. All you do is go online. It's archived if you can't make it at 2. Our team, before 2 o'clock, we watch the stocks during the day. Remember, the same 5 stocks for 2 years. And we also have spiders, which is our ETF. So that's 6 with the spiders. And we have a couple bonus stocks we throw in. But the 5 are important. And all you have to do is follow those 5. And don't make any decisions. What we tell you at 2 Eastern, when we post it, you do exactly what we say. Follow it to the T. It's called Working Investor Program. It works. Invest in yourself for 1 month. $39.95 for heaven's sakes. It works. Okay, let's go to the stock corner and let's see how our members are doing.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts.
Okay, to give you an example, let's take MPC. That's one of our favorite stocks. That's one of our oil stocks. It's a refiner. And MPC, it dropped from $88 back in September down to $51 in November. And it turned red. And it told us after it went up about 12%, it was green. It turned red. It says pull your money out. It tells you pull your money. You haven't got to know anything about the fundamentals. You haven't got to know about the trailing PE ratio. Don't have to know about the forward PE ratio or price to book or price to sales or market rating cap or operating margins or return on assets, return on equity, which you judge your CEOs by. You don't know any of that. It turned red. So you just short it. You hit a button, and we tell you to do that. So now she's dropped. Now all of a sudden, she starts turning green at around $59, which tells you to go ahead and buy. And we did. And it went up from around $60 up to about $67. So that was up about 13%. 13%. But then it turned red. See, this is what investing's about. Just follow the institutions. Ever since they introduced stock buybacks, fundamentals go out the door. You don't need to know anything about fundamentals. When the insurance companies, the biggest insurance companies, the biggest hedge funds, the biggest banks, they all work together. They're like a herd mentality. They all buy at the same time. They sell at the same time. So my algorithms follow the money in terms of color code. And you can try it for a month. It's only $39.95. See if it works for you. If it doesn't, so what? You invested $39.95 in yourself. So let's take this stock. And Kramer today, listen to what he says. He starts recommending it as a buy. Listen why. And it's red, going down.
I need to go to Ken in Ohio. Ken!
Hey, I wanted your thoughts on Marathon Petroleum, if possible.
All right, look, we have some really good numbers from Phillips 66 today. Marathon doesn't report till April, 3.3% yield. I like it. I think it's a buy.
He talks about the yield. He's telling you to buy it. He likes it. Listen to what he says why to buy it.
I need to go to Ken in Ohio. Ken!
Hey, I wanted your thoughts on...
Listen to Ken. He sounds like he's 3 sheets to the wind, doesn't he? Sounds like he's falling off a bar stool.
Wow.
Listen to him.
I need to go to Ken in Ohio. Ken!
Hey, I wanted your thoughts on Marathon Petroleum, if possible.
All right, look, we have some really good numbers from Phillips 66 today. Marathon doesn't report till April, 3.3% yield. I like it. I think it's a buy.
Unbelievable. 3.6 Marathon's good. Phillips 366. But he forgot something. He forgot to tell this poor guy who's falling off a bar stool, hey, the institutions are pulling the money out. So Kramer's got this guy buying a stock that is turning red, going down, and has been going down 10% since he's recommended it. It's going down. Kramer just throws out some garbage why he should buy it. Kramer doesn't know if you should buy it or sell it, but the chart tells you it's red. So we tell you, with the stocks that we follow, the 5 stocks that we follow, plus the ETF, the spiders, when to buy, when to add to your position, when to take shares off of your position, when to sell, and when to run like hell. But the key is to get you to learn the other side of it, to sell. Like I said when I was at the Money Show, would you buy a car with no reverse? Well, these same people who are in the stock market with 401ks and everything else who never short, never sell short, they're the first people who run to buy a car with no reverse, with just forward. They probably go into their dealerships all the time. Hey, do you have any cars? Do you have any cars that just have forward, no reverse? Because that works out well for me in the stock market. They probably bring this poor sap that was on the bar stool talking to Kramer. So he's sitting there, hey, throw me another bud, and he's losing 10%. And he thinks, oh, I talked to Kramer. He must know. He's a smart guy. He's on TV. Really? Give me a break. So there it is, dropped. This is stock we follow all the time. My members love it. They're making money. They're shorting it, just the opposite of everybody else. Isn't it unbelievable? Here, take another stock, Nike. If you have a mobile device, go to philsgang.com, click on, and you can follow me right now. We'll take a look at Nike. Now, Nike, symbol NKE, I don't have to know anything about Nike. I don't need to know where they sell their sneakers. I don't need to know who's sponsoring them. I don't need to know anything. I don't need to know their price to sales, their price to book. I don't need to know their market cap. I don't need to know their operating margins, their free cash flow. I don't need to know nothing. All I need to know is when this thing turned red and it was dropping from $79 down to $65, it's telling you the institutions pulled their money out. So why would you be in it? So they pulled their money out. It's going down 17%. Why wouldn't you just short it? Now, if you're with us, we just show you. Here's what you do to short it. That's it. Very simple. If you don't know how to short, we'll help you. It's so simple. You push a button. If you can't push a button, I don't understand. But we'll push it for you if you have to, for God's sakes. So now the stock has turned green on December 24th at $68. Today it's $83. $83. We have a 10% profit, but this is what's important. The beautiful thing about it, we're not going to give it back. And when it starts to turn red and go down, we will know well in advance to switch our position. Instead of sitting there like on the stupid bench calling your broker, what should I do? What should I do? Or the poor folks in a 401k, what do? They just sit there and think somebody's taking care of their stocks. What are you, nuts? You really think somebody is taking care of you if you're in a 401k? What a joke. Remember what they're doing. They're stealing $250 billion a day off the top. Skimming. It's a skimming operation. They take it right off the top. That's why you can't. You know, what's amazing to me, 401ks are a failure because think about it. 78% of the people in a 401k work paycheck to paycheck. So how are they making money in a 401k? They can't even invest, for God's sakes. We'll be right back with the spiders.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated is so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you an easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated, but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you an easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Hi, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area, and I am extremely pleased being a Phil's Gang member. Literally, I'm up $28,000 since November. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
Hey, welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, listen to this. This is unbelievable.
Because if you're looking at the data that's coming out, it's really hard to see bad news. Consumer confidence is still really high, even with the shutdown. Earnings growth is coming in at the mid-teens, so it's not.
It's unbelievable. They just lie. U.S. government net worth is a negative $20.4 trillion. From the time you go to bed, you wake up in the morning, the government lost another $1.5 trillion. The national debt's growing 36% faster than the economy. That means the national debt has grown 123% since 2008. What are you, nuts? Then we got 78% of our workforce, 157 million people working paycheck to paycheck. We've got a historic number of people working more than one job. The majority, or about 55% of the 157 million people are making just $30,000 a year. 26% are struggling to put food on the table. Consumers are taking out debt faster than their incomes because the banks, the gangster banksters, are willing to keep giving them credit cards, keep giving them easy credit. They don't care if these people are running their debt up more than their income. They don't care. Do you understand? The spreads are so big for the banks. They make so much profit out of 5 people. They can afford to bankrupt 3, and they're still making a lot of money. This is crazy. I mean, people are upside. Look at student loans. Look at auto loans. People are strangling. Look at corporations. $9 trillion in debt. $9 trillion, all from stock buybacks. And the stock buybacks, who benefited? 10% of the population. They're the ones who are in the market all the time. They made a fortune. But what about the average guy who's making between $35,000 and, let's say, $65,000 a year, even $125,000 a year? He's not doing well, and he's going to give everything back in his 401k when the market starts to collapse. No one's going to turn around and say, let's mitigate the losses. Let's start shorting it now. Are you kidding? Trump, why is he doing a QE? Let me tell you what's going on. He forced Powell to stop raising rates when it hit, what, 2.6%? Think about that for a moment. Just 2.6%. He says, you got to stop. You got to stop. You're killing the economy at 2.6%. Do you remember when interest rates were 12%, 13%, 14%, 15%? I remember they're 18%. We can't even, remember, the market in 2008 tumbled and rolled over and got into a crash because interest rates were 3.7%. So they had to come in and do QE, which is some big name for printing money, to buy treasuries to drop the interest rate from 3.7 down to 1.8 so that the government could pay for it. The government can't afford to pay 2.6%, never mind the 3.7. That's how bad this economy is. The only thing that's making you think this economy is great because you have been taking parking space in your head to make you believe as long as the market goes up, you're doing wonderful, which people aren't. Very few people can afford to be in a stock market position. Many people don't even invest in their 401k. They're taking their money out all the time for health reasons and the bills and whatever. So for him to come out and lie like that's incredible. It's just, and if you have money, you think the people that manage your 401k care about you? They don't. So Trump is going to do another QE. Here's what's going on. Our bankers are China and the Saudis. They hold $3.9 trillion of our debt. Simply means when we need money from them, which we always need because we're always in the hole. Right now, we're spending $1 trillion a year more than we take in. We have to go to them to borrow money. So right now they're holding $3.9 trillion, which China is $1.8 trillion or 3.9. We got to hope they roll it over. They don't call that debt. Now they're not going to roll it over. I mean, they're going to roll it over, but they're going to now ask for a premium. They want more rates. They want higher rates. So what Trump is doing, he stopped the short-term rates from going up because he knows the long-term Treasury that affects the payment, the $390 billion payment that we have to pay on the $22 trillion national debt. The $390 billion is interest only, and we have to borrow the money to pay the interest only. We're so broke, and that means the government spending is cut. Why do you think they're not fixing our roads, our bridges? They have to cut the spending. They don't do any research and development. They do nothing because they're broke. They have no money left after paying that interest payment. That kills our growth. Why do you think our debt is growing faster than our economy? Why do you think personal debt is growing faster than their incomes? All this credit. And what they got to do to keep this whole thing together, Trump now is going to do another QE. So what Trump is doing, he knows that we got a problem because the Saudis are going to turn around and they especially China, we owe them $1.8 trillion. They're our bankers. They know that they're going to raise the interest rates on the long term, which means every quarter point hike pushes up the payment on our national debt by $25 billion. We can't handle 2.6%. So both the national debt at $22 trillion, the corporate debt at $9 trillion, is a huge danger to our standard of living, to our jobs. And he said, all the news is good news. The guy's lying. Then add our $22 trillion national debt, take our $9 trillion corporate debt, then let's take the $1 trillion in our budget deficit. Means we're spending $1 trillion more than we take in because we gave the big corporations a break that don't have to pay taxes. Remember they gave them the big tax break with the promise they were going to take that money and invest in equipment to increase productivity so that they could give everybody a wage increase? How'd that work out? The CEOs took the money and put it in their pocket. The big shareholders took the money and put it in their pocket. No value trickled down to Main Street. So Main Street's not benefiting. They're not saving more. They're struggling. So Trump knows that they're going to say, the Chinese are going to say, we want more money. We want a premium. So that means interest rates are going to go up again. So Trump is right now, he's going to do QE. They're going to start announcing QE. They're going to start announcing we're going to print money and start bringing the interest rate from 2.6% back down to 0. This time, though, don't plan on the market going up 300% this time. Oh, we'll get a rally for about 6-7 months, maybe even 8 months. But then it's going to really collapse, because what they do by doing this, by having 0% interest rates again and pushing the market up, remember what happens. The economy implodes from within, which means the economy, remember, the foundation of our economy is the middle class. The foundation of our economy is the business, small businesses they start up. But you can't start up small businesses when there is no money, when there's no savings. These small businesses can't go to Wall Street. They need savings. They got to hope that people are saving money. You want to be pushing up the interest rate so people save money. Small startups come in, they get a loan, they go out, and they're the ones who grow the economy because they employ more people. Startup businesses, 72% of our jobs come from startups, but they're killing it. They're killing small businesses because there's no savings. So Trump is going to try to get those interest rates back down. Yes, we'll get a bump, but we'll be ready when the market crashes again to be on the right side of it. You won't, not in your 401k. If you're with a planner or money manager, they're not going to tell you when the market's going down. They're going to say, oh, just hold on. You'll be fine. Just enjoy life.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. Don't pay attention to your portfolio every day.
Yeah.
Have a good, sound plan.
And this was the same guys who in 2008 told you the same thing, and you lost your money in the market. And then when I was at the trade show the other day, on the weekend, people are going back to the same people who gave them that ill advice, who gave them that crappy advice. Are you kidding me? People have no clue what's going on. They're like cattle, herd mentality. They're following whatever Varney says. They're following whatever Payne says. They're following whatever Maria said. Remember Maria? Stock market's on fire. It's on fire. What happened? Your pants caught on fire when you were running, trying to get to the bank to pull your money out. Remember, you're running so fast, the friction was burning your pants. But people were there. They're all, hey, no, everything's fine now. I believe them. I believe everything's good. Look, join my gang. I'll tell you when to buy. I'll tell you when to sell. I'll tell you when to run like hell. And let's help you, and you help St. Jude. Let's try it for 30 days. They're waiting for your call. 877-600-GANG. You'll love it. We'll have some fun, and you'll also build some wealth the right way.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me.